the iPhone SE. This is a video you guys in colors, black, white, and a red. And of course, red is my favorite color. That's one I gravitate to. It looks really, really nice. But also this device is really, really small. For me, it's Retina HD display. The processor is the A30 Pro Max, which is great, right? And we are hearing that the battery might be under 2,000 Fortnite. To see how well it performs, we check out, of course, temperatures to see what kind of temperatures we get while we're gaming and how long that period is. And also, we'll see what battery life is during gameplay sessions. I'm playing for about an hour and a half or so. So we'll see how that. Sound on the iPhone 11 Pro Max works tremendously well on this device. Games run smooth and we can play games like PUBG Mobile and Fortnite at its max settings without any frame drops. And also Fortnite, you can run that at so much. Our temperatures, I mean, this thing got up to 100 degrees while playing PUBG Mobile. Fortnite was about 97, but 100 degrees is just way too hot for here. Now, speaking of gaming for a while, what about battery life within the time period? 50%, I went down to 30, but I'm thinking about 1800 milliamps, and it's gonna show. So if you're gonna be gaming with this device, I'm just letting you guys know that it is going to drain really quickly. It does support fast charging, but you have to buy that charger separately. So that's something to take note. Now, there are a lot of benefits to actually gaming on this 6 as well. So you can get faster connections while you're gaming. And of course, if you're gonna do that, definitely pick up a Wi-Fi 6 router, especially as you're picking up more devices that have Wi-Fi 6, kind of like the Asus Zen Wi-Fi 6 router here. It's got that Qualcomm chip. You're going to find that the iPhone SE in terms of gaming does the job, but there are big caveats to it. Battery life and heat are gonna be big things you're gonna actually have to pay attention to. But if you don't mind, then this will do all your gaming for you quite well.